Hello dear children, good morning. Children, we have started our semester 2 portion and we have started our first lesson, pollution. And we have learned what is pollution, what is air pollution and what is water pollution. And in today's class, we are going to learn soil pollution, noise pollution, radioactive pollution. Okay? See children, what is soil pollution? Soil pollution is also known as land pollution. We can call soil pollution as land pollution even. Okay, children? It happens when pollutants cause soil to become infertile or unusable. This soil pollution happens when pollutants cause soil to become infertile or unusable. Here, infertile or unusable means some of the pollutants causes some particles which are unusable to use for any purpose. So it happens when pollutants causes soil to become infertile or unusable. Soil in volcanic areas and oil fields is often polluted by volcanic activity and minerals. This is why soil in these areas have no vegetation. Even soil in volcanic areas is polluted by volcanic activity as well as minerals. This is why the soil is unusable and soil in these areas have no vegetation even. Some human-made activities causing land pollution or improper disposable of household garbage on streets and in open drains. We can see here a landfill site where garbage is laid. See the garbage. It was released on the soil or land. So, improper disposal of household garbage on streets and in open drains. Improper disposal of contaminated medical garbage. What do you mean by contaminated? Contaminated means having been made impure. So, improper disposal of impurities in medical garbage, impurities of medical garbage, and improper disposal or leakage of harmful chemicals in industrial areas. Even some industrial areas release some harmful chemicals. Due to this also soil pollution happens. Next one, abandonment of open mines and construction sites. What do you mean by abandonment, children? Abandonment means act of leaving someone or something. So act of leaving someone or something of open mines and construction sites will also cause soil pollution. And excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides in farming. So in farming, we use excessive fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides. Due to this also land effects, land will get polluted. So soil pollution may cause headache, nausea and skin rash. Here, due to soil pollution, we will get headache, nausea, nasal problem and skin rashes. In extreme cases, it can even cause cancer and can damage the kidney, liver and the nervous system. Not only headache, nostril and skin rashes, and in some cases it can even cause cancer, damage of the kidney, liver and the nervous system even. This is about soil pollution, and the disadvantages of the soil pollution means the diseases causes because of soil pollution. Next one is noise pollution. What do you mean by noise pollution, children? Let us see. Noise pollution is the occurrence of loud, disruptive and unbearable sound. So noise pollution is the occurrence means cause of unwanted sounds, loud sounds, unbearable sounds. Okay, this we call it as noise pollution. Sound is measured in decibels. The comfort level of sounds for humans is 20 to 120 decibels. When we hear anything above 90 decibels, it becomes harmful for us. So, the average average sound for humans, the average sound level that human can hear is 20 to 120 decibels. But if 90 decibels exceeds, it becomes harmful for us to bear. Honking of vehicles, blaring loudspeakers, construction activities, and rock concerts cause noise pollution. So, what causes noise pollution means honking of vehicles, blaring loudspeakers, construction activities, rock concerts, all these causes noise pollution. Areas near factories, airports, railway stations, and busy highways are the commonly affected areas. So, what are the common affected areas of noise pollution? Means mainly factories, areas near factories, airports, railway stations, and bus highways are the commonly affected areas of noise pollution. Noise pollution causes stress, irritation, annoyance, and even digestion problems. So, noise pollution causes heavy stress, unbearable stress, irritation, annoying, and even digestion problems. Excessive noise pollution can even cause deafness and high blood pressure. If the sound exceed more than 120, it may cause deafness and high blood pressure even. Hence, hospitals and schools ban honking around them. It also disrupts animals' life and scares away birds and animals from the area. Yes, due to this sound pollution, animals' life will get disrupted and even birds will scare away from the areas because of this sound pollution, because of this noise pollution. That is why schools and hospitals have banned honking around their premises. Next comes radioactive pollution. What do you mean by radioactive pollution? See, radioactive pollution is the pollution caused by radioactive or nuclear materials. This radioactive pollution is caused by radioactive or nuclear material. A scene from the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster. This is the nuclear disaster. See, some nuclear materials are uranium, radium, and plutonium. We can see some nuclear materials like uranium, radium, and plutonium. These may be used in the form of fuel or weapon. These uranium, radium, and plutonium can be used in the form of fuel or weapons. If nuclear material wastes are not disposed properly, then it may prove extremely dangerous. Exposure to radioactive materials can cause skin cancer, genetic disorder, physical deformity, generational disorder, and infection. So, due to this radioactive pollutions, we will affect like skin cancer, genetic disorders, physical deformity, generational disorder, and some infections will happen. Chernobyl disaster in Ukraine in 1986 and the Fukushima Daiichi disaster in Japan. This is the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster in Japan. In the year 2011 are some of the most tragic nuclear disasters in history. So this is all about radioactive pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. So this is our entire lesson 1, pollution. Children, once go through the entire lesson. If you have any doubts, you can get back to me. Bye children. Thank you.